Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my ripe plantain and egg salad. All right, it was so delicious, so I hope you guys are gonna enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, what are you waiting for? Just subscribe. All right, and you guys can follow me on Instagram, Facebook and TikTok at cookingwithafton. All right, and I hope you guys try this recipe. You can leave a comment down below and let me know how you guys enjoy it. All right, so here's my ingredients for my ripe plantain and egg salad. Enjoy. Okay guys, so these are some of my ingredients here. So first thing you're gonna do is get an empty bowl and you're gonna pour some mayo or mayonnaise inside. Then I'm gonna put in my brown sugar and give it a stir. As you can see, I already boiled my ripe plantain and my egg off camera. Sorry I didn't show you guys that part. But you're just gonna boil it for like 10 minutes. So now we're gonna put in our white vinegar and give it a stir. Make sure you mix it up really good. So now I'm gonna put in my yellow bell pepper and my whole sweet corn and give it a stir. So I have my boiled egg there, so I'm just gonna take a knife and I'm just gonna cut it up into bite-sized pieces. Or you could cut it up however you want. I'm just cutting it up randomly there. And then I'm gonna cut another egg as well. You guys can put more egg if you want, but I just put 2 eggs in my own. And I use 3 ripe plantain and I cut it up. So now we're going to mix up my egg into the mayonnaise mixture, and also I'm going to pour in my boiled ripe plantain, and I'm going to put a little bit of mustard and chili pepper. It's going to give it a little kick, a little spiciness. And you're going to mix everything up into the mayonnaise mixture. Guys, you really need to try this recipe, and when you do, please leave a comment down below and let me know how you guys enjoy it. All right? So this is the end results for my ripe plantain egg salad. It was so delicious, guys. I hope you guys try this recipe, and I will be eating my ripe plantain egg salad today with some cranberry rice and also some watermelon baked chicken. I will leave in the description box down below my link for my cranberry rice and my watermelon baked chicken, and you guys can make this for your Sunday dinner or your Sunday lunch. All right, so I hope you guys try it and let me know in the comment down below how you guys enjoy it. Right, don't forget to give you the video a thumbs up, and thanks for watching, and see you in the next video, guys. Enjoy. Love you all. Bye.